It's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make chia pudding. But it's not just any old plain chia pudding. It's going to be fruity chia pudding. I'm choosing to use 3 different fruits. You, however, can use just one if you want. This is what you put. This is how you make it. With a blender. It's really simple, but it's also very delicious. You start with 3/4 of a cup of cherries. Put it in your blender. To that, I add 1/4 of a cup of chopped apple. Now I chop it pretty small. It's going to get blended up, but anyway, I use 1/4 of a cup of chopped apple. Put that in. And 1/4 of a cup of grapes. I use red grapes. And to all of those, you're going to put in, I did it wrong, Ev. Okay, here's a blooper. Don't put all your fruit that you've chopped up for your fruity chia pudding. You're going to put it in a separate bowl. And then you're going to mix it all up. Now I know it'll get mixed up in the blender, but you're going to need these separate pieces to put in the pudding to give it a more fruity taste afterwards. So from this mixed up fruit, you're going to take 1/3 of a cup of fruit out and you're going to set it aside. And now you're going to take all of this that you mixed together and put it in your blender. So now you've set aside your 1/3 of a cup. So you're going to continue adding ingredients to your blender. The next one is 3 pitted medjool dates. No pits in this. 3/4 of a cup of plant milk. Just pour it right in. And then you're going to add your spices. This is 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Put it in. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And now you're done with making the pudding part. You're going to stick it on your blender base, and you're going to blend until it's nice and smooth. Here we go. Into your bowl, you're going to pour what you just mixed up. And make sure you get it all. Okay, so now here's your basic pudding. You're going to stir in 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now you're going to use your set aside mixed fruit. Okay, now this is really loose. So what you do is you put it in your refrigerator and you have to wait. You could wait overnight if you wanted to, but a couple hours will do it. And then it'll thicken. And then we'll come back and I'll show you. The pudding I just took out of the refrigerator. It's been in for about an hour. You can let it stay overnight or longer. But here's what it looks like. It's gotten thicker. When I stir it up, your fruit will be suspended. I chose to just chop up a little bit of the apple and just drop it on the side. And this is only if you want to, but it just makes it look nice. Gives it more texture. You have to chew a little bit after you're done. I really like this. I know you will too. You know what else I found out? Your favorite smoothie, you can turn into chia pudding by just taking a portion of it, putting it in a bowl, and stirring in about 2 or 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are very healthy for you. And if you want to know more information about chia seeds, you can watch my video on chia seeds. We'll list the link below. I hope you get a chance to make this and let me know, troopers, whether you like it or what you think. I wasn't always a fan of chia seeds, but I'm starting to like them more and more once I found out so many positive things about them. Okay? So until next time, because this is the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And thank you so much for watching. And I would like for you to leave some comments if you would for me to let me know what you think. All right? Bye for now.